What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Brian here. I know it's been a while since I've recorded one of these videos, but I'm going to hold myself accountable and I'm going to attempt to do one of these videos every single day. The goal is whenever I trade, I will do a recap of my best trade of the day and the worst trade of the day. And I will post it here. I'm not expecting really anybody to watch this other than myself. This is more of a thing for me to look back on when I, later down in my trading career. Last time I posted, I think, was back in like January or February. So it's been a while. Quarantine happened, coronavirus happened, everything happened. But anyway, um, let's get right into it. I want to make this short and sweet, just because I only have a best trade of the day because I only took one trade. Um, but yeah, and that trade today was on Twitter. Thank you to one of the members of the Bear Bull Traders community who called this out. Um, so Twitter was on the daily, I believe. If I scroll in a little bit right here. So Twitter was kind of curling up. It was looking pretty dang good for a breakout on the daily. So that's what the person who mentioned it saw. Um, and then when I looked at it, I was like, wow, yeah, that's got some potential. Let me pull this chart up. Um, but yeah, so market opened, right? Obviously expecting this thing to have a big push up out of the open. It was looking actually pretty weak at the open. It pushed up and then immediately sold off, but the volume was extremely low. So I wasn't trying to get into get into a position if that was the case, because that at that point it could do whatever. Second candle forms, pretty high volume, and it didn't really move anywhere. It kind of just bounced and bounced. Third minute candle. This is where I really should have got long. I was about to pull the trigger, but I was like, I'm not. That's one of the things that I'm not good at. I'm not very confident right now. Um, and I don't trade the first 5 minutes, which I've come to realize is making me miss out on a lot of these, opening range breakups or breakdowns. But I was very, very close to breaking my rule today because this looked very good. But anyway, you had this big rip up, high volume, another next candle, high volume rip up, pullback, which is what I'm looking for. This is one of my favorite strategies. A strong stock out at the open, pulls or not pulls up, pushes up, pulls back down either to a moving average or the VWAP. In this case, it kind of got towards the VWAP, but not really. And then I took my usual entry, first minute high. Uh, First candle, make a new 1 minute high. Get long there. I got long at 41.08. Trade was working for me. Pushed up, got up to 41.27, and then struggled a little bit. Came back, pulled back again. At this point, I was like, all right, maybe I should look to get out. But the volume story was telling me, just hold this, wait for it. Anyway, doji here, and then this candle, at what time is this? At 9:39 was the key. It pushed down towards the VWAP. It was like what 2 cents away from it, but at that point maybe it was at the VWAP. And if you look at the volume, extremely low. So here I was like, all right, this is looking good. I'm going to add into my position, which I don't usually do, but this time I did. So I added at the exact same price I got into at first, 41.08. And then from here, it did exactly what I thought it was going to do. High day break. That's where I was going to try and get all out pretty much. I was going to take a partial, but then I was like, nah, like first trade of the day, what is it? It's 9:41, 11 minutes into the trading day. I hit my goal. I'm gonna go back to sleep. So I ended up taking it all off, and then reality, I probably should have stuck on to it for a little bit because it ended up going another 30-ish cents before having this pullback, and then the rest of the day it kind of just chopped around, and at this point I was sleeping. So yeah, I missed out on a lot of the move. And if you look at the 5 minute chart, let's make this big. This thing ran all day long. It got up to, what was the high today? 42.82. Um, so yeah, reality, I should have kept watching this stock for most of the day because it had a lot of good opportunities. Like here, a nice little pullback. Here, curling up. But anyway, hindsight 2020, whatever. Green Day hit my goal. I'm very happy with this trade. I needed this because yesterday wasn't the best day for me. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will hopefully be back tomorrow with another recap. And yeah, I plan on getting a webcam, so make this more official. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Happy trading. And if you're interested in like a Discord community type thing, I have a Discord made. Nobody's in it, but if you want to join, we could share ideas that we have, or learn off each other. So let me know. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Thanks.